Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tanu, and as you have seen on the title, today's video is like exciting for me because yeah, today I will be recreating a makeup look from yes, from Somi, and she's a K-pop idol. If you don't know, I don't know where you're leaving. So yeah, I will be doing that. I'm literally nervous because I love their skin. Everyone knows Korean skin is like glass skin, and I really love their makeup. So yeah, I will be trying her makeup and doing everything she is doing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the best part about Korean makeup is basically their skincare before the makeup, and let's see what she does. Firstly, she's tying her hair up, so I thought to do so, but I ended up looking like this. So yeah, it's not for me. We are just keeping it like this.
Homemade nutrition pack for me in the morning. It has oatmeal and almond powder. And I just mix it with
That's a pretty hard thing to do.
Sheet masks are very good at giving
But yeah, we have a sheet mask. Let's use that.
about 10 minutes.
I try to do every single thing she's doing like this, but we obviously can't eat our sheet mask. Then I waited for 10 more minutes, and I have to tell you, the feeling after taking off your sheet mask is like heaven. It feels so good.
My mint scrub from Sabon. I like to use it in the morning or before I go to work because it feels like it's going to depuff my puffy skin. I usually use...
Yes, this was where I was surprised because we are supposed to scrub and then use the sheet mask, but here we are doing the opposite. So yeah, let's just follow her. According to me, the reason behind their glass skin is their balanced diet and their consciousness about their skin.
Hyaluronic acid serum. I use it with a thin cotton pad so it absorbs all the serum. It's like a sheet mask time.
Okay, so we are using a serum and we're again doing a sheet mask kind of thing. Wait, I need to figure it out. Let's just bring something. I have to DIY that. So this is what I found, and unfortunately this is the only serum I have which has hyaluronic acid. And then again we wait. Thank God she used a toner because I was dying to use a toner right now.
Crack a lot, so I am very aware of moisturizing and what moisturizers I should use and what not to use. And this is Propolis Light Ampoule.
Here we are using a serum, and instead of a serum I'm using facial oil because this gives more hydration and moisturization than a serum. So yeah. I swear to God, my skin right now feels so soft like a baby's skin.
Cream. It preps the skin super nicely.
We're using my most favorite moisturizer, which has some illuminator in it, because who doesn't like to shine like a diamond?
Jojoba lip essence.
You can see how shiny my skin looks right now. I'm really excited for the makeup after this. Let's just do the rest.
Yeah, and I use a sponge.
As we're not rich like her, we're using Maybelline foundation, and this is my first time using a brush to apply my foundation. I don't know, it felt like I'm painting my face, but yeah. Then we're just blending it out. I have to say this, the application of my foundation was so smooth. It was smooth like butter. But yeah, then I'm using a concealer to hide my dark circles under my eyes and the little wrinkles I have.
I like to shape my brows longer, so I kind of draw out the edge here.
I like to shape my eyebrow in a particular shape, so yeah, I did that.
It's time for eyeshadow. For like this palette, this color right here as a base.
The closest shade I have is this one, so I'll be using this one. All she did was she used this shade as a base for her eyes. She used it under her eyes and also above her eyelid.
I use the color Truffle right here. I'm doing it with my finger because it's easier for me to control. A Kiss Me gel liner. I like to fill in the waterline all the way through.
I have no idea how am I going to use my finger to blend it, but yeah, I'm using a thin brush to apply it, and then like she did, we are going to use our fingers to blend it. But to be honest, it really blended out perfectly.
I'm guiding my eye line to see if they're the same. I like doing it with eyeshadow first because I don't trust myself using the liner right away because I know I'm gonna mess up.
Whoa, my girl used her brain. What she did was she took her eyeshadow and she guided a line in which shape she wanted her eyeliner to be, and that is what I am going to do. And then she's using a liner and I'm using a Maybelline one because
I
we
like to
got no
layer
money.
eyeshadow and the eyeliner. I like to just layer these things up for safety because you don't have enough time and you don't want to mess up. Always good to have insurance.
It is quite a genius idea to do because we don't have enough time to match our both liners.
Same color. Kind of connect my double eyelid here.
We did the same as she did, and I guess she did this to enhance the shape of the eye.
This is the key for the look for anymore. So you use the same color, truffle.
She again used the same shade as before to make a wing liner, but this time it's under the eye, like in the waterline.
Now it's time for fake eyelash. Put about 3-4 pieces into one eye.
Well, I've never cut my eyelash and used it, but yeah, as she's doing that, we are going to do the same. As you can see, the application is like a bit difficult, but it obviously makes a difference. It looks more natural.
Now it's time for mascara. We're using Kiss Me. I like to use waterproof mascara because, you know, I sweat when I dance.
Again, we got no money, so we are using a waterproof mascara from Maybelline.
And there's this special thing I do. We're gonna reuse the Q-tip that we used earlier. Cut the cotton ball apart and use a lighter. Burn the stick up. Shake it around and like that. It's curling your lashes. A lot of Korean makeup artists, they use this technique. And in Korea, it's called fire straightener.
Well, we're trying this. I mean, this was a hard part because it's hard. Use lighter instead. Look at my face though. I was so scared of the fire. But yeah, you can use a lighter. It was a bit scary for me to do it, but it showed me the result. It curled my lashes. But yeah, I don't recommend it to you. But surely you can try this if you want to. But yeah, don't try this. This is where I realized that I burnt my eyelash. It was too hot for my eyelash. It curled up instantly. But yeah, you use it like when it's warm, not when it's hot.
I'm going to do nose contouring. Rare Kind, it's a Korean brand. Kind of blend the sides. And I use a little bit and I put some on here. I draw a line here to cut my nose.
Here I'm a bit confused why she used it over her nose bridge, but yeah, we are going to do the bronzing as per me, like what I normally do.
So I'm using this pinky blush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here.
And then she's using a blush for her face. So yeah, we are using the Maybelline one again because we are broke. I'm applying it quite lightly because I want a natural look, and like she did, we are applying it lightly. So yeah.
And then now I put a pastel purple milky color. I kind of go crazy with it. I go all over, like starting from the under eye, anyway, all over here.
Again confused, but yeah, we're just going to follow her and what she did. Maybe she did this to look more flawless and full, but yeah.
And so now it's time for highlight. I use Fenty Beauty. And I kind of like to highlight the corner of my eye.
I mean, thank God she's using highlighter because most of the Koreans don't use it because they already have a nice skin. But yeah, we're just going to use highlighter wherever she used it.
to overline it. Then I use a velvet pencil. This is the first layer. It's like a base.
Here I used 200% of my brain cells and I matched and mixed a lot of lipsticks, and finally I got a good result. It somehow looked like her shade. It was closer to her shade, but yeah, not the same, obviously.
Somi is definitely going out tonight, and thank you for watching this video. It's the final look for Any More. Bye!
Isn't she so cute? So yeah, this is the shade I got and it's kind of cute. And this is me flexing my face and my makeup and some beauty shots. I'm really loving the eye look. It's not properly Korean, but I loved how it turned out. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I really enjoyed recreating her look and I think it's kind of cute. And please do comment down below how would you rate this look out of 10. And yeah, please don't forget to comment down below if you liked it or not. And then don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. So yeah, don't forget. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, bye bye, love you and sarange.